Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Kingston, local and long-distance movers near me. A successful moving project requires a lot of planning. You have to take care of the packaging, rent a truck, organize all your items, amongst other things. Hiring a moving company is a much simpler way to go about it. Working with 3 Movers is an even better solution. 3 Movers offers residential and commercial moving services in the Kingston, Ontario area. We are recognized as an affordable and high-quality company with local and long-distance moves. 3 Movers has transparent pricing policies. Important factors for the total moving cost include the total weight of the items on the truck, the travel distance, and the number of trucks needed. When checking estimates, make sure to note whether they show if it's binding, fixed price, or non-binding. Price may change. In addition, make sure to get this information in writing and that the company has adequate insurance protection. Referrals are an excellent way to find a moving company. The word of a trusted family or friend can help you find the correct company. To cover all your bases, you should also get a copy of their business license and check what kind of insurance protection they have. Once that's done, you could still compare the estimates provided with other local moving companies for the best results. Getting at least 3 estimates is recommended for a move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Kingston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.